Energy and utilities leaders are navigating rapid change, from workforce shortages and decarbonization pressures to complex regulatory shifts. Many are calling for more agile systems to adapt to evolving energy policies and trade fluctuations.
AI is changing how decisions are made on the ground, providing workers with focused content that allows them to work faster and safer and make better decisions. Take wind farms, for example. AI operations can predict faults before they happen, automate and group service windows, and thus reduce overall downtime and improve operational KPIs.
In our Voice of Our Clients research, we interviewed 158 energy and utilities executives who are prioritizing targeted digital strategies, especially focused on AI implementation. 3/4 say digitization is reshaping their business models, and over 30% are producing expected results from their strategy. Most are exploring or piloting GenAI, and a third are doing the same with advanced AI, signaling a clear shift toward intelligent, data-driven operations. Our research identifies 5 key trends transforming the energy and utilities sector. Climate change remains a high-impact macro trend for almost 80% of executives. The shift to renewables and carbon neutrality is shaping their priorities, with European executives citing it 38 percentage points higher than North American. Many now see sustainability as core to their strategy, driving adoption of AI-powered analytics to improve forecasting, optimize operations, and build resilience. Just over 60% report difficulty recruiting talent. To address this, leaders are accelerating adoption of AI, automation, and digital tools that support early career professionals, enable cross-functional teams, and retain company expertise. Over 40% cite global economic shifts as a top concern, and many are responding by adopting reshoring strategies supported by AI-driven predictive management. 75% say digitization significantly impacts their business model, though 38% face major challenges with their legacy systems. AI is also improving customer experience and boosting operational efficiency. Nearly 80% of executives cite fast-evolving regulations as a top concern due to complex regulatory, fiscal, and political changes. This is driving demand for real-time, AI-enabled compliance and agile decision-making.
So nearly half of leaders say that business is highly impacted by what's going on in the social demographic changes that are moving forward, and that they're also having a talent shortage. So AI in the workforce is going to impact things basically in 2 key ways. First, it's helping automate routine tasks, free up employees to focus on much more high-value strategic work and more meaningful work. Secondly, it's going to expand what workers can do by placing all of the knowledge of the corporation into their hands. So we're scanning all of the data across the organization and putting the best practices in their hands so they can actually use this digital tool. And this is something that we see a great improvement on. Together, these 2 shifts both not only improve productivity, lower costs, but they also improve job safety as well as the overall well-being.
A leading oil and gas company partnered with us to improve records management, aiming to enhance information quality, streamline processes, and meet regulatory requirements. As digital content grew, the client saw an opportunity to modernize systems while supporting their teams and keeping operational continuity. We introduced our CGI GovernWise 360 solution, powered by GenAI and predictive analytics. Together with the client's engineering experts, we developed the Intelligent Records Radar, AI models tailored for civil, electrical, and process engineering. This enabled fast, accurate identification and classification of records, seamlessly integrated into existing workflows. Tasks that once took months now take minutes, boosting speed, compliance, and productivity. The solution also supports a digital workforce, addressing skills shortages and equipping the next generation of workers with intelligent tools. This client example reflects broader industry trends, where more than 50% of energy and utilities leaders now use GenAI to improve customer service.
We're seeing a shift from reactive to proactive maintenance. More than half of the leaders this year are using generative AI to improve the production and operations. The benefit for organizations are fewer surprises, better use of resources, a workforce that is focused on higher KPIs and delivering tasks that are much higher value, producing a much better outcome across the board. Successful organizations are adopting ethical and human-centric approach into their AI practices. They are also being agile. They're having an agile approach across the organization for not only their organization itself, but the data that they need to free up within the organization at pace and scale. My advice is to build upon a foundation of governance and trust. Start small, use cases that are business-focused and outcome-focused, and involve your compliancy people early and often. Don't forget, it's about data, data, data. Strong data governance is key, not just within a department, but across the entire organization if you're to get the benefits you want.
The message is clear. AI is no longer optional. It's a strategic imperative. As leaders navigate decarbonization, workforce transformation, and regulatory change, success depends on how they manage data, modernize systems, and empower people. The takeaway? Focus where it matters most. Align digital investments to business outcomes. Embed AI with strong governance and trust. And prioritize talent, agility, and data readiness. These insights from the voice of our clients' research offer a roadmap for leading with confidence in a smarter, more sustainable future.